Is your hard disk or external drive stuck in read-only mode on Windows 11 or 10? Don't worry, you're not losing your files. In this video, I'll show you the quick steps to unlock your drive and get full access again. Open Windows Explorer and click on this PC. Right-click on the drive showing read-only. Click Properties. Now go to the Security tab. Here, Windows controls who can access the drive. Click Edit. Click Add. Now click Advanced and then Find Now. You'll see a list of users. Select your user ID, then click OK. Click OK again. Now select your user ID from the list. Check the full control box. Click Apply, then OK. And OK again. This gives you full permission to use the drive normally. Solution 2. Remove read-only attribute using DiskPart. Sometimes Windows sets the disk as read-only due to errors. We will remove that using a command tool. Search Command Prompt, then click Run as administrator. Click Yes. Type DiskPart and press Enter. Type List Disk and press Enter. This shows all disks. Type Select Disk, Drive Number. Choose the drive with the issue. Now type attributes Disk Clear Read-Only and press Enter. This removes the read-only lock from the disk. Type Exit and then Exit again. Solution 3. Repair drive errors. If the drive has errors, Windows may protect it by locking it as read-only. We'll scan and repair it. Search Command Prompt again. Click Run as administrator. Click Yes. Type checkdisk/f/x/r drive letter and press Enter. This command finds and fixes disk errors. When it finishes, type Exit and press Enter. And that's it. After these steps, your drive should now work normally without the read-only issue. If this solved your problem, give the video a like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes.